know. I like it. I got a little Batman car, man.
So yeah, so we about to do a little race just to see how the Hellcat Redeye holds up to the Cts-V.
Hey man, look, I'm on motherfucking stock tire. I already know my shit gonna be spinning all across the goddamn parking lot, but the bitch hook, good night.
So I'm on street tires. I got 315s. He has 305s.
So. I'm on 305. Like,
but we just gonna see. He got more power than I do, so we just finna see. And
I don't know how to launch. I ain't ready to manual on this motherfucker or none. I don't know none of that. I'm just getting in the Mopar game, but goddamn it, I got Mopar fever. Track Hawk on the way. Goddamn, we take this shit to a whole new level. Me and my boy linking up. A whole lot of shit for me going down in Memphis and goddamn Mississippi. So be on the lookout for it. The boy shit camming out though. I ain't gonna lie, like I gotta give me a goddamn cam, man. So the shit nice too, the shit clean. So man, yeah. Like goddamn it all.
Let's get it started. You ready? Yeah, let's go. Do another burnout. Lost them. He had his ass though. He lost them. Hit your tires up. It's 1 and 1. He won one, I won one. That sounds so good. So he won one, I got one. Come on, Bino, look. So look, we need to let some air out of our fucking tires.
Yeah, let's say I got mine in sport. I ain't got it in track, man. Like
okay.
I slept on that one, man.
It's all good. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna hump next time. I'm gonna hump on like 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go on 3.
I gotta have them tied. They been right like a ball headed. I ain't lying.
Man, see, I had to ease into it too.
Well, see, soon I keep easing my shit. Like soon I hit on my shit, all they doing is spinning. That motherfucker spin. Look, that motherfucker spin all the way from him, all the way down. That motherfucker spin all the way down, man.
Damn, see, he coming down. We need to do it again. Man. I want to do it again because I want us to be dead even.
Hey.
Dead even.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, that
been running, man.
I want us to be dead even.
Bro, that's a whole nother car.
Hey, so look.
It's not going.
Hey, it sounds good as hell though. So we want to do it again because we want us to get take off at the exact same time where he hooked and I hooked and we just take off. You see what I'm saying? Because he got one and I won one. See what I'm saying? So
yeah, man, got us out of time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know, like I say, man. He got them Nito 555. Them motherfuckers hooking now. All I'm doing is spinning, goddamn it. So tires on the way. He got one, I got one. I won't pay attention the second time. But goddamn it, we gonna make it do what it do, man. But look, Redeye Bino, man. That's my YouTube, Redeye Bino. He letting some air on his tire. I ain't letting none of mine. I ain't no good driver like that yet. But he coming, goddamn, you know what I'm saying?
It's the race V, so
shit. Cam V, stock Redeye. I'm Redeye Bino, man. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, Redeye Bino. Just started a big YouTube channel, so goddamn it, hey, support the movement. Shit finna be big around here. Well, I talk plenty of shit, so might as well get ready. We coming to Atlanta, we coming to Dallas, we coming to goddamn Houston, we coming wherever goddamn you want us to come, we coming. Like I say, I'm waiting all my parts to come in right now. This shit finna be live, man.
This time, man, easy.
Right.
But don't be too lenient, cause if I hook, I'm gone.
I see
So-
that. And see that what happened while ago.
I think you gonna wait this time. I'm gonna flag
You gonna flag?
You already. Hey, Bino, make your lights.
Huh?
Make your lights.
All right. right there, man.
I got you some time.
Who won?
I got him this time. I think I hooked better than he did. I had to.
He hooked real hard.
With that stability track on there.
That's what it is.
He
like
hooked real hard.
whoever hooked.
Yeah. Cause that stability track.
Y'all pushing about the same round.
Yeah,
But I'm gonna tell you something though. When the last race, when you took off and I spunt out, man, I couldn't. You was just pulling, dude. Like I couldn't catch you.
But that bitch was still spinning. I said, fuck, I'm gonna hold it, bitch. I said, I'm gonna hold it, bitch.
Yeah, see, I had the stability track on, so it cut power when I was finna get ready and spin, and I was able to keep it moving.
It's a whole different thing.
Huh? Oh my God.
Hey, you wanna see what it feel like?
Yeah.
He finna get ready and go. It sounds good. That's the first time I ever heard somebody driving my car. See if we can hear that blower whine, y'all. Let's see if we can hear it. Shout out to my boy Deadpool, my listener drive. Shout out to my boy Deadpool. He ain't here right now, but you coming out here next, dog. You finna get some of this smoke. You hear me?